Here's how to make the scrolling bars for the scrolling game in Scratch. So I deleted the cat, it's the first thing, and now I'm going to paint another sprite. So I will go into New Sprite, Paint. And now I'm here in the costumes. So the game says 3 costumes. You could make a few more if you wanted to, and then you would change the pick random instead of from 1 to 3, from 1 to whatever number, because your costumes are numbered. And right here, your first costume is number 1. So the first thing you need to do is pick a rectangle or square that you're going to draw, and then you choose your color. I think I'm going to choose, actually, choose an orange. I'll choose orange, and I will outline it in orange as well. And to get the same exact color, you can look at the numbers. So I have 10 here, 100 here, and 100 here. So if I go over here to my outline, I can go to 10. I don't know if you can type in. Choose 10. Nope. There we go. 10 and then 100 and 100. So I'll have the same color. So now I will draw my rectangle, and I want it the whole size of the area. So, and the other thing, and you can see it doesn't fit. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit just to make sure it's the whole size and make it a little bit larger. You will have to modify this. I think that's good. The other thing, you want to make sure it's centered. So I will move it until you see this little plus sign is right in that center bullseye thing. Very important that your sprites are centered, and it looks like it can go up a little bit. You can see I dragged up a little bit. So now it's the exact height that it needs to be to cover the whole screen. That's the first step. Now what I'm going to do is duplicate this sprite, and then I'm going to cut out sections for the whatever my character is to be able to fly through it. So to duplicate, I'll hold the control key down. On a Chromebook, it may be a 2-finger tap, and then I'll get a menu and I will duplicate. And I'm going to make 3 more. So I have 4. And then I'm going to start cutting out sections. Now, the best way to cut out a section is in bitmap. So I'm going to convert to bitmap. I'm going to choose this right here. And this will allow me to make a window around the section I'm going to cut out. Now you can see I start to the left and I drop to the right. And I'm going to cut out that section, and I'm going to hit delete. So now I have an area where my character can fly through. And I'm going to go to number 2 and cut out a different section. So same thing, I need to convert to bitmap. Make sure I select on this selection tool. I'm going to go down a little bit and cut out. You want to get it approximately the same height that's cut out. And then I will continue that to the third one, convert to bitmap, make sure my tool is chosen, and delete my section. And then if I go back to vector, I can just check when I click on it that it's centered. And if I need to center it, I can do it there. I think I'm okay. And the fourth one, I think I'll just leave there for now to see if I want to do some more later. What you're going to do is change the costume. So as you go through, you can see how the bars will change. And obviously you won't use 4 unless you've cut something out. And always remember to save now frequently, because when you do some work, you don't want to lose it if your computer crashes or something happens with Scratch.